Hello, people. What do you do to look smart and extraordinary in your life? Do you know what is that? What I mean to say? That is, if you are going for a fitness training for yourself, that will help you to look smart and extraordinary. Because people always going for those products, they are those going for those beauty products, and they always spend over lots of money to look smart and gorgeous in their life, but they fail to get it. Because if you are not internally beautiful or handsome, you are not look smart and extraordinary. So if you have figured it out, what will going to get in your life, that is the fitness. So always go for the fitness. It will give you a look that will grow from your inside. When you are growing from your inside, then nobody can stop you to grow in your life. And when you are going for a fitness means two kinds of fitness. One is mental fitness, second one is physical fitness. Mental fitness is very much necessary, because nowadays mental fitness is very much necessary for everyone, because this is the time of COVID-19 and everyone feared of coronavirus. And when you are feared of coronavirus, then you have to figure it out how to be mentally fit in your life. And that is, I have already given a video on how to get the meditation and how to do it. There is a video of mine about the meditation. You go and see that video. You will understand what means the meditation is. So it will gives you a mental fitness in your life. And when you are mentally fit, that means you have the courage and confidence in your life to go beyond further your life, or get it something which is not you have get in your life. So people, if you are not doing it from today, exercise. To exercise, you have lots of measures. Like, you can go to a gym, you can go to a yoga class, or you can start your own in your house or home. If you are doing it, why I am telling you, I am going to first tell you that. Because I do it myself. I regularly exercising. Why? Because to get the mental and physical fitness. 1 year back, I am more than 80 kg weight. That means I was overweight. Right now, I am around 72 73 kg. So you can understand it. When I do it, it will help me to reduce my weight and the mental and physical fitness. Because right now I can do Sirsasana. And if you want to see my Sirsasana, go and see my uh, Instagram profile, then you can understand. Or if you are not, then I'll do it for you tomorrow. So you can see it, how I am doing the Sirsasana. But the thing is that you need a training program, fitness training program for yourself. Why I am telling this? Because this is the time when you can start. Because if you are not starting it, you always feared about different kinds of viruses. Right now is the COVID-19. Next time will be anything else. Before SARS, MARS, all are came and go. But right now is the time to start your fitness journey, because everyone knows that those who are suffering from sugar, high BP, depression, anxiety, they will, what I say, India is the capital of sugar, diabetic capital. You can understand it. And if you are not getting those things right now, that means if you are not physically fit, mentally fit, how you can survive? Just think about it in your spare time and just do it. Just start it from today. I will always push you to start your day with exercise, or maybe in before going to bed you can do an exercise program for yourself. Do it, man, from today. Otherwise, it will never come in your life that you will figure it out or you can start it. And if you are not understanding those data, or if you are not able to get those data, go to Google, you can understand and you can figure it out all the data. I have written it in my, you can see it, this is my copy, and I have written all the data, but I am not going to share with you. I want to know from you what will be the data, how many people are affected by diabetes and obesity and depression, anxiety, all the data. I need it from you. Please comment it in my videos. Then I also can understand that you have taken the initiative in your life, because people are just listening, not taking the actions. And if you are not taking actions, then in this period you may get depressed, you may get anxiety in your life. And if you want to keep away from this, then you should start from today. Thank you, people. Like me, comment me, do take very good care of yourself, and share it through your connections, and always subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.